Who proposed that mind and body are two separate entities and interact with each other? Option A. Rene Descartes. Option B. Aristotle. Option C. Plato. Option D. Paul Broca. The right answer is option A. Rene Descartes. Who is an important functionalist psychologist who was particularly interested in consciousness, memory, and emotions? Option A. John Dewey. Option B. William James. Option C. Thorndike. Option D. Skinner. The right answer is option B. William James. What is the name of the person who established the School of Individual Psychology? Option A. Adler. Option B. Jung. Option C. Anna Freud. Option D. Erich Fromm. The right answer is option A. Adler. Who is a pioneer contributor to the cognitive psychology? Option A. Jean Piaget. Option B. Kohler. Option C. Chomsky. Option D. Kohlberg. The right answer is option A. Jean Piaget. The modern psycholinguistic theory was developed by option A. Chomsky. Option B. Kohler. Option C. Piaget. Option D. Kohlberg. The right answer is option A. Chomsky. The concept of psychology came into teaching and the first psychology course offered by option A. Wilhelm Wundt. Option B. E.B. Titchener. Option C. J.B. Watson. Option D. William James. The right answer is option D. William James. Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers were the founder of dash approach. Option A. Developmental approach. Option B. Biological approach. Option C. Humanistic approach. Option D. Socio-cultural approach. The right answer is option C. Humanistic approach. Hope, happiness, optimism, and flow takes together as option A. Cognitive psychology. Option B. Positive psychology. Option C. Humanistic psychology. Option D. Evolutionary psychology. The right answer is option B. Positive psychology. Wilson was the strong supporter of dash plays vital role for shaping of behavior. Option A. Genes. Option B. Culture and environment. Option C. Past life. Option D. God or Almighty. The right answer is option A. Genes. The role of brain, body chemicals, central nervous system, neural mechanism, etc. are considered the dash branch of psychology. Option A. Cognitive psychology. Option B. Positive psychology. Option C. Neuropsychology. Option D. Evolutionary psychology. The right answer is option C. Neuropsychology. Who proposed the famous past theory on psychology? Option A. Binet Simon. Option B. Cattell. Option C. J.P. Das. Option D. Thurstone. The right answer is option C. J.B. Das. Our behavior is influenced by option A. Nervous system. Option B. Central nervous system. Option C. Spinal cord. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is option D. All of the above. Study of gender differences is the subject matter of option A. Industrial and organizational psychology. Option B. Social psychology. Option C. Developmental psychology. Option D. Clinical psychology. The right answer is option C. Developmental psychology. According to Darwin, the variation in behavior passed from one generation to next is due to option A. Selection. Option B. Cultural changes. Option C. Inheritance. Option D. None of the above. The right answer is option C. Inheritance. The famous book Principles of Psychology was authored by option A. Wilhelm Wundt. Option B. E.B. Titchener. Option C. J.B. Watson. Option D. William James. The right answer is option D, William James. According to J.B. Watson, psychology is a science of option A, soul, option B, mind, option C, behavior, option D, brain. The right answer is option C, behavior. Some of our most useful knowledge of human perception borrow from option A, physics, option B, chemistry, option C, sociology, option D, mathematics. The right answer is option C, sociology. The structuralists intending to identify the building blocks of option A, consciousness, option B, subconsciousness, option C, unconsciousness, option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, consciousness. Who discovered that all mental processes are not accompanied by mental imagery? Option A, Wilhelm Wundt, option B, E.B. Titchener, option C, J.B. Watson, option D, Oswald Kolpe. The right answer is option D, Oswald Kolpe. The functionalists strongly influenced by option A, Wilhelm Wundt, option B, Charles Darwin, option C, J.B. Watson, option D, William James. The right answer is option B, Charles Darwin. Who is credited for setting up the first psychological laboratory in United States? Option A, Wilhelm Wundt, option B, Charles Darwin, option C, J.B. Watson, option D, William James. The right answer is option D, William James. What is the meaning of flock according to Gestalt psychology? Option A, the whole, option B, perceptual unit, option C, perception, option D, closure. The right answer is option B, perceptual unit. Who is the father of psychodynamic theory? Option A, Wilhelm Wundt, option B, Charles Darwin, option C, Sigmund Freud, option D, William James. The right answer is option C, Sigmund Freud. Self-actualization is proposed by option A, Carl Roger, option B, Abraham Maslow, option C, Sigmund Freud, option D, William James. The right answer is option B, Abraham Maslow. Computer provided a new way to conceptualize mental process and to develop detailed theories, which is known as option A, cognitive approach, option B, behavioral approach, option C, Gestalt approach, option D, information processing approach. The right answer is option D, information processing approach. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. Like this video, share it with your friends and others. Thanks for watching this video.